Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. This session is all about Python list comprehension. List comprehension is defined as an elegant way to create a list in Python and consists of brackets that contain an expression followed by for clause. It is efficient in both computationally and in terms of coding space and time. The list comprehension starts with square brackets. Expression for item in item if condition. Let's check this out in Jupyter Notebook. We'll try this in console. List comprehension. So we'll convert this as to header. Let's try. Letters is equal to E and for letters in Python. For letters E letter sorry, letter in Python. Letters dot append letter. Print letters. Let's execute this code and see what we have. We have Python. Each letter has been separated from the list. So we'll try the next example. Letters is equal to letter for letter in Python. Letter for letter in Python. Print letters. Now we'll execute this code. What we have here is the same answer what we have received in our previous example. So hope this might clear at least comprehension in Python. Alright guys, if you have any doubts, feel free to contact me, and the more practice, the more champs you will be. Alright, take care, have fun, see you in next class.